Hands.
Good morning everyone. Today we are at the Circuit Factory here in Al Quoz, Dubai, and we are going to do the Race for Freedom. So what are these guys going to do? We've got a few heroes here today. I don't know how many yet, but we are going to do 4 minutes and 3 seconds of burpees non-stop. These guys have volunteered to do it, so we're just going to see what they can do. It's not a race, as I said before. Let's just get into it and then we'll talk at the end. See you at the other side, guys. 13 seconds, guys. That's all. 13.
10 seconds, guys.
Let's go. 5 seconds.
2 more.
Well done. Done. Time. I'm just happy I didn't have to do it.
That was 4 minutes. It looks like 1
4
minute.
minutes and 3 seconds. Well done. Well done, Chris.
Shukran.
How was that?
Amazing.
Amazing.
It's like the hair and the tortoise. Always been there.
Maxi Max, you do burpees for fun. How was that today?
Well, he said it was good.
Yeah. Thank you very much for taking part. Well done. Allah. Fantastic work, my friend. Well done. You did it nice and steady. I'm not going to ask you to talk. Well done. Mighty.
¿Qué pasó?
Hey, there
We
you
like
go.
those burpees.
There you go. Look at this lady. There we go.
We like
Okay.
those burpees.
Elaf, come on, talk to us. How was that?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I
Well
can do
done.
it again.
Well done. She's just finished a training session, guys. She's
And I
off
have
to
one
another
more.
training session
I
now.
have one more to do.
There you go. Well done. Thank you very much for taking part. Really
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Thanks.
Well done. All right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. So again, that was 4 minutes and 3 seconds of burpees done here at the Circuit Factory. The link below shows you exactly where you need to go to donate to this particular cause. So once again, thanks for watching. And as always, just subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this in future.